Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great New Year's Eve. Happy New Year. A bit late, but still. And welcome to a new video on GMT. Wanted to do a quick video on GMT because it's been on my watch list. So I was looking at it, so then it's always easy to do a video on that because I already have a bit of thoughts on it and just why I want to enter it. But apart from that, I mean, there's also some good fundamentals coming up for Stepn at least, which we will not dive into in this video, but I will take it into account with the analysis. So don't worry, I know, and it's in the analysis, but yeah, we'll just do a full analysis on GMT. I mean, there are different reasons as to why I wanted to cover it as well. I mean, first of all, I mean, Stepn, I'm not sure if it's the best use case of crypto, but it is a use case. It's being used, it's being developed, so that's great. And that also creates quite a lot of potential for GMT. Excuse me. GMT historically tends to have some big rallies, as you can see right here. I mean, this rally that started in October, we peaked out around 35 cents. But what happens quite often is that these tops and especially these wicks get refilled. That's that's good bullish momentum from where we are right now. And then apart from that, I also saw some strong open interest gain for GMT. Here you can see we had a spike up with the open interest yesterday evening, and right now it's increasing slowly again. So I just think there's a lot of potential for GMT right here, fundamentally and technically. So the big question is well, what needs to happen? And that's a difficult question because right now, I mean, it's very unclear to me what the most important level is we need to break through. I mean, there's this level right here around, I would say, like 33.5 cents, and then up to this level right here at like 34.5 cents. So potentially this is the level we need to break, but in my eyes, if we need to break above that, I mean, that would just take too long. And then there's this other level. Let me just quickly change some colors. And then there's this other level right here at around 32 and 31 cents, and we don't really seem to react to that consistently, all right? Because right here, we broke above that, we did not find support, but then we broke below that, did find resistance. And then we broke above it again yesterday, and now we are finding support. So it's a bit of a weird level, and just in general, I would love to wait for 33.5 and 34.5 cents to break, but I just think we'll be too late. With open interest gain like this, I mean, it's going up and down a bit. GMT is 100% manipulated to a certain extent, and that's also what you can see if you look at where the volume is coming from. A lot of volume coming from UEE, BK, and Upbit usually means manipulation. So we know that, and look. Excuse me, my microphone turned off. I don't think it was for too long, so I'm just going to continue the video. But if you look at everything, the momentum, the technicals, I mean, this is an uptrend. And then also that there's some manipulation going on and that there's bullish fundamentals just leads me to believe that we should probably buy this, all right? And that after we are able to break out above 32 cents, that I think it's most likely that we'll test 34.5 cents, and that it's just a matter of time before we get up to 37.5 cents and potentially 40 cents. Those are my thoughts. I mean, it's a risky trade, but I do think it's worth the risk. Now, if for some reason GMT really starts falling a lot, so if it really drops down to, let's say, 30 cents and drops down to 29 cents, then we'll just stay consolidated down here for a bit longer. But I still would think that ultimately a rally like this is inevitable. So those are my thoughts. I will probably buy it after this video because I convinced myself in it. But those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and my signals group if you really want to see how I will take this trade. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.